You can wave now, nah. I got the camera. I got it. It's recording. All right. This is Lunar New Year 2026. The year of the horse. We got the horses.
You want to go inside or you want to go outside?
We stay outside for a minute. Okay, this street is where you come, just this people street, like a citizen street. It's just closed off to traffic. It always is. There's always shows going on down here, performances. We're down here for the fireworks and the festivities. Later today, the fireworks will be right out here. The Saigon River's just on the other side of those flags. That screen, that bluish screen, that's actually on the other side. You can see it. It's on the other side of the Saigon River. And I have other videos on my channel. We take boats up the Saigon River, just pleasure cruise. Also, you could dine on them. Some of them have live performances. Depends on what you want. What you're up for. Yeah, I know. That's all right. We still got about 3 hours before the fireworks start. It starts at midnight. And it is 8:30. We got a while. But we got here early enough where we didn't have to be in that traffic over there. We beat the traffic, beat the mom. And what district is this? 1? Is this District 1? So this is District 1, Center City, Ho Chi Minh City. Oh man, I know it's clear right here. There ain't nobody. It's a rare opportunity. But that's it for now. We're just waiting for the fireworks. I've got a lot of photos and other videos I'll upload, but it's a lot of flowers. I don't know how long this street is, but I'm sure it took them a while to decorate it. But it's really beautiful, really nice. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.